Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you enjoyed our last two videos. So today we will be continuing with the science. Now in science we know that apart from general studies you can also do engineering and medical, but they themselves are huge curriculum, so we will be covering them in separate videos. And even for today's general video there are many subjects to be covered, so we will also be doing this video in two separate parts. We will be starting with physics. Now physics is a major subject for all the students who had 12th science. Now in physics honors you will read about the kinetics, kinematics, the application of energy and energy systems. Even quantum physics you will also learn. Nuclear physics will be a huge part. Then after that you will also learn about the electrical electronics and also the optics, optometry will also be there. And how will you apply all this knowledge later on? Okay, this will be hugely covered in physics honors. Now for science in general, I will say if you want to stick with research, I would say you should take preparation to go abroad, because the research scope in India is very limited. Naturally we have other problems in our economy, so the government is not able to sustain that much of research funding, financing for a long period of time. Although there are some good research scopes, but that is very limited, and the number of students, the competition level in India is very high. So if you want to stick with your research, then I will say that you pursue your masters, if not masters then at least your PhD from any abroad colleges. But there are good colleges for honors in India, that is Jadavpur University from Kolkata is very good. Any DU colleges for physics honors is very good. CU also is a very good college, and maximum number of students who clear NET, that is for the PhD program, are from CU. St. Xavier's Kolkata is very good, and under private colleges LPU is also very good. Now after for masters you can give JAM. I will say that you prefer JAM so that you can study the masters from IITs. Okay, that for that you will have to pass your JAM exams, and in IITs there are some good scope of researching. But apart from that, if you want to go for any jobs, you will get jobs like radiologists, okay, lab technicians you can also get, and in hospitals the equipment managers and quality testers in various other industries you might get. For chemistry honors, you will be covering various things that you already did in your plus 2 level, but at much vast scopes, right? Now few things will be new, like spectroscopy will be new. Naturally, although we know about the idea but not vast in theories, neither in practicals, but organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, all will be covered in this course. Apart from that, electrochemistry, which you already know, then quantum mechanics, then nuclear chemistry, all these things will be covered in much vast scope, right? What you did in plus 2 level will be like, it was the 10% of what you will be learning for your graduation in honors in chemistry. Now various top colleges for chemistry honors are JU is very good, naturally. Loyola in Chennai is also very good. St. Stephen in Delhi, it is a very good college. St. Xavier's is good, and private institutes, one of the best is BITS Pilani. Okay, and after masters you can get various jobs like pharmacist, radiologist, lab technician, and if you go for PhD you can also be a professor. But if you want to go for higher research, then I will again say that you should be prepared to go abroad. Now for mathematics, you will cover the various mathematical subjects which you have already done in plus 2, and there will be various new things, right? Now when I did plus 2 level mathematics, differential equations was not there, but recently in ISC at least it was included. But apart from that, graph theory, okay, Laplace transform, Fourier transform, these all things you don't know. Then statistical mathematics we have done very little, but apart from that, various new techniques, numerical methods is a new thing which you will be learning in maths. And in applied mathematics is also a subject you can take. Okay, now applied mathematics is basically how you will apply the mathematical knowledges later on in various scientific technologies, right? Even not only in scientific technologies, after maths honors or applied mathematics honors you can go for any commerce stream like ICWA, which I covered in the previous video, right? Now maths honors has various scopes. Research in maths is a huge thing. Okay, in India there are various research scopes, but abroad it's much better. And after masters you will get various jobs like as statistician, business analyst, mathematician, you can always go for professor. And for applied mathematics masters, I'll say be prepared to give jam so that you can get to IITs, because the masters from IIT in applied mathematics is very good, literally. And few of the top colleges are Christ, okay, JU, CU, Hindu College, etc. Now we have already covered physics, chemistry and maths. Now the major next science subject which most of you had was biology. Now biology in such has no particular graduation but or honor subject, but it is divided into various different subjects, right? Zoology, botany, physiotherapy, physiology, biotechnology, biochemistry, biomedical, and there are other subjects as well. So now we will be covering zoology, okay. Now in zoology you will basically study about the animal kingdom, okay, kingdom Animalia, which we have known from our 11 or 12 taxonomy subjects. Now in like you will study about quantitative biology, the invertebrates, the biology of invertebrates in much broader spectrum, okay, and cell biology, animal physiology, genetics, structural biology, bioinformatics and various other things. And after masters you can, for masters you can go to various other departments like conservationist, you can become a conservationist, but for masters you can go for biochemistry, biotechnology, forestry and wildlife, and you will get various jobs like in National Geography they do hire for the from this course, Animal Planet, BBC Earth, and you can also get other jobs like animal caretaker, as I said conservationist you can always become, wildlife biologist, zookeeper, these are the jobs available. And there are various good colleges like Christ University, Ferguson University, then various colleges under DU, they are also very good. After zoology we will be covering botany. Now botany is basically the study of plant life, okay, and various aspects of plant life, that is their physiology, their molecular genetics, their geographical distribution, their ecology and forestry. Now with the help of this you will be able to understand how the animal, the plant, as you studied in zoology the animal kingdom, for botany you will study the plant kingdom, okay. Now after this you will get after your masters, and in masters you can shift to agriculture, horticulture, as I said for zoology, and after your masters you can get various jobs like botanist, okay, horticulturist, ecologist, biological conservationist, and the few top colleges for botany is Christ, Ferguson, Neotia. Now after botany we will cover physiology. Now in physiology you will study about the about human biology, okay, and the various processes under our human body, that is the digestive system, the respiratory system, the reproductive system, and the various functioning, how the day to day functioning of a human body is, and how this knowledge can be used for finding cure to any diseases, how a disease functions, how it spreads, all this will be covered in physiology. But there is also a subject that is bachelor's for physiotherapy, but after masters you can get the same type of jobs. For physiotherapy you can be a physiotherapist, you can be personal trainer. From physiology you can also do both of these, but after doing physiology you will get a wider scope like working in hospitals, working in various labs, research purposes you can go for in physiology. And few top colleges are AJC Bose College in Kolkata, that is Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose College, then City College, then JNU in Delhi is also very good. Now after physiology we will be covering biotechnology. Now biotechnology is basically the combination of biology and technology, right? From the name we can get it. You will study the various things like cell biology, chemistry, and how computer sciences or computer applications can be used for different biological processes. After you acquire proper knowledge from this subject you will be able to differ, you can find new methods of finding cure or detecting cure, identifying any diseases, then finding its cure, various processes you will be covering in this scope. And after masters you can go to medicine, then you can go even work for various pharmaceuticals, you can even work for various hospitals where different types of machinery, biological equipments are kept, right? And a few top colleges are NMIMS, that is in Odisha, then SVIMS, it's in West Bengal, and St. Xavier's. Now moving on to biomedical sciences, you will be learning about the various principles governing the human body, right? the different diseases that occur, how they spread, right, and how there are methods of cure and how you will identify them. So you will get, after your masters you will get various jobs in hospitals, right, because all of these things are documented and you have to have technical knowledge to document these things. And you can also get chances in pharmaceuticals, right, you can also get chances in various labs where such research has been taking place. And few good colleges which for this course are any college under DU, there are few colleges under CU, then IIT Madras is very good for this, and Nasimunji in Mumbai is also a very good college for this. Now, biochemistry can be said as the interdisciplinary subject of both chemistry and biology for humans, plants and animals. In this subject, you will cover the chemical processes that go on in different biological entities, what is their mechanism and how they function and how they actually affect any biological entity. Now, after masters you can do various research, you can work in various labs. Pharmaceuticals also take students from these courses, and few good top colleges are AMU, that is Aligarh Muslim University. Colleges under DU are also very good, and in Kolkata Scottish Church is very good for biochemistry. Now coming to genetics, in this course you will learn the importance of genetic disorders, heterogeneity, history of genetics, etc. Now also you will be covering the medical heredity and cloning techniques in this course, and not many colleges do provide you with this course, but there are few like the Oxford College of Science in Bangalore, JNU University which is also in Bangalore, and the Indian Institute of Genetics which is in Kolkata. Now after masters you will get various jobs like genetic counselor, then forensic scientist, biotechnician, etc. Now moving to environmental sciences, in this course you will study about the interaction between the biological and physical systems within an environment. The various subjects which will be covered are regarding animal studies, climate, energy, water, soil dynamics, and also population will be covered, and ecology will also be covered. Now many of you might think that environmental science is a very boring subject, but trust me, I had environmental studies for 2 semesters in my college, and there are many things which will be covered and they are very interesting, right. And also you can go for ecology, which is almost same, but it generally covers the in specific platforms, right, in specific areas the study of the environment can be said as ecology. Okay. Now there are various colleges like Ashutosh College in Kolkata is very good, University of Burdwan is very good, and Indian Institute of Ecology and Environment in Delhi is also very good. You will get various types of jobs like environmental conservationist, then in various environmental engineering companies you might also get jobs, and ecological studies are being conducted by various labs, so there also you will get various opportunities. So this is the end of this video, and we couldn't cover all the subjects under science in this single video, so we will be covering them in our later videos, and we will be also doing separate videos for engineering, medical, and we will be giving a miscellaneous video where you can study other subjects from various other streams. Now if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, give us a like, and do give your feedback and any queries in the comment section, and if you already haven't subscribed, please subscribe and support us, and try to share it among your friends and family. Thank you.